Hey, what's up, Hayden? Welcome to the next tutorial on how to build an e-commerce mobile application using Flutter and Laravel. I guess in this tutorial we're going to be building this particular section here. So this is what we're going to be building. So this is a text field with I think this is called a prefix icon and an icon button here. So this is a setting button, I believe. So we can export this icon. So I'm using click on export. So make sure it's in 2x export. Okay, so once you've exported that, I'm going to go to downloads, cuts like that. So make sure you paste it in where your project is. So assets, images. Okay, so that is that. Alright, so what we want to do now is after our outbar here. So after this our outbar here. So what we can have is we can have our body. So we see our body, and we say column. Right, so column will set children. So what we need now is basically just a row. So we need a row. Okay, so once we have our row here, what we have is our text field first. So our text field. So this is going to give us an error. So what we can do is we need to wrap this text field in expanded. So let's say expanded. Okay, now you can see our text field is there. Okay, so we need to install our text field. I don't like this new update for Flutter. The formatting is so bad. So so what I want to do is decoration. So say input decoration, right? So say border, I say input border that's none. So we want no border. We basically just want to do it ourselves. So after that, we're just going to say what is the in-text? The in-text is looking for shoe. In-text is looking for shoes. Okay, so if I should remove this, we should have looking for shoes. Okay, then now let's just style it. So first one to do is I'm going to say enable border. So say outline input border. I give border radius. So we have this border radius like this. The border size is basically just white. So you just say okay, so yeah, it's going to be cross border size, but instead of all this, we can say colors of white, I believe. Yeah. Okay, so it's colors of white, and it is filled. And it has like shadow kind of design. So okay, so we can just give it that. Then you can say we just have shadow. Let me see if this have this. No, it doesn't. So you can leave that for now. You can just say you can say field field. You can say field to be true. And give our field color should be colors of white as well. Okay, now it looks kind of that way. Then do we have shadow here? Let me see if we have shadow here. Actually, there's no shadow there. We'll look for that later. But once we've done that, we're going to do quickly side icon should be icons search. Okay, so that is please icon the icons of search, and it is well rounded. So let's do 50, 25. Okay, then yeah, so in this column, let's wrap it with padding. Okay, so that is good. So wrap it with padding. Maybe it's on 15. Okay, 15 is, I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's what we have at the moment. Let me see what I can do. I can color colors of black. Okay, so this is what we have at the moment. Okay, in case you can't see that. Alright, so the next thing we do is right after this expanded, want to have a container, right? So it's going to be decoration, box decoration, it's going to be shape. It's around the color is not going to be colors of white, it's going to be colors of blue. Okay, so this is going to be colors of blue, right? So now you can just say child. So you want to have image.assets, right? So once I have image, you can say assets image, then is sliders, right? Yeah, sliders. Oh, letter S. Okay, so there it is with the scale of 1.5. Now you can just say padding, say constage 8.0. Okay, very good. And what we can do, you can say size box width to be 8. Alright, so now the blue color is not basically this blue. So what I want to do is copy this blue color. Just always okay. Copy that blue color. So go to my folder again. In the constant here, you know, okay, we already have the color. It's called the same color here. But is it the same color? This okay. Yeah? So it's the same color. Instead of button color, let me just call it primary color. So when you call it primary color, we have to change it to primary color. Okay, so there'll not be any error. So in our own view, we can just change it to primary color. Alright, very good. So let's give this like 15. Alright, so that is very reasonable now. And space of like 10 in this place. Okay, and let's say padding should be symmetric. Horizontal here we can say let's be like, I don't know, 14. Okay, 14 is okay. Then you can see vertical should just remain, should be 10 instead. Okay, good. So we've done this particular part. So in our next tutorial, we're going to be building this select category. Alright, if you like this tutorial, please make sure you like, subscribe. See you next time.